Ashaji, now we're going to post a vendor invoice using the same credentials. Enter field reference number. Okay. Net date is due. Okay. Now this is document is okay, but it needs a header text. Header text will be 210K. Enter. Okay. This will be your document. Post. Item category not assigned to 30201. Document splitting. What is document splitting? Let me tell you what is document splitting. Document splitting. You have a vendor, stationery supplies. You buy stationery supplies for 10,000. To vendor, 10,000. Sales tax expense, let's say 1,000. Withholding tax, let's say 10. This is the entry. Withholding tax is liability, while this is expense. Now, this stationery was used by marketing department, production department, sales department. Okay. Marketing used 3,000. Production used 3,000 of stationery, and sales used 4,000 of stationery. What about the sales tax? Who will bear the burden? Withholding tax. Where is the burden? Who will bear the burden? Of course, these departments. So these departments will have profit centers. Okay. Same goes for production department, profit center. And sales will have profit center. But is production a profit center? No, it is a cost center. It can be a profit center, but for now, to keep things simple, this is a cost center. So we have to divide as per accountancy laws, reporting laws. You have to assign 3,000 plus percentage of the sales tax to marketing, production, sales, and also the withholding tax. How will you do that? You do that by using document splitting. So when you make an entry and the system sees this is the marketing profit center and supplies are going there, what will it do? It will split this invoice into 2 to 3 parts as per the profit center appropriation. And how is that? Stationery supplies, marketing, profit center, 3,000 plus sales tax expense. How much? 1,333 for this, withholding tax. 3. And rest of the profit centers will also share the load, the burden of the sales tax and withholding tax and the vendor, right? In this way, one invoice will be split into 3 profit centers. Okay. And what is the relationship between a cost center and profit center? Let me tell you that as well. Company is the top node. We have defined this in SAP. And at the same level is operating concern. What is operating concern? This is a reporting cube. Okay. What reports to company? Company code. We have defined that, SA40, right? Now, what comes under operating concern? Controlling area. Okay. And if you have 1:n multiple company codes, the condition is that fiscal year variant plus chart of accounts will be the same as controlling area. Only then you can assign multiple company code to one controlling area. So company code actually falls under controlling area. Okay. Okay, so what is controlling area? Controlling area is profit center accounting, segment reporting, cost center accounting, product cost controlling, profitability analysis, and what else? So, operating concern has multiple controlling areas, and it is of higher precedence to controlling. To satisfy the requirements of operating concern, which is a cube. What is a cube? Okay, let me tell you that. Reporting cube. Okay, I want to see sales of a region, demographic region, plus I want to see cost of goods sold, plus freight I have paid to sell that cost of goods sold for November to December 2022. So I have 1, 2, 3, and time dimension 4. 4-dimension cube is operating concern. And controlling area has to pull data from SD. CO, SD is sales distribution. CO, material management. FI, production planning. And all of this fall under company code. Okay. Because under company code, we have plant. Under plant, we have purchase organization. Under company code, we have sales organization. Under sales, we have distribution centers, sales offices. Under plant, we have storage locations, right? This is how SAP is designed. So this is basically the structure of your landscape, enterprise landscape. Okay. That That's how easy this is. So this is your hierarchy. So coming back to this document splitting, we have to classify GL accounts. So for that, what I'll do, /O, SPRO, /O is next session, new session. Customizing, share, reference, IMG. Acha. Over here, financial accounting, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, preparations, account group, SA40, SA40. These are the accounts. What I'll do, Control Y, Control C. Control C. Okay. Now we have the list of accounts. And these are the list of accounts that we have. One by one, what we'll do, we will classify GL accounts for document splitting. This is the error. Chart of accounts, SA40. New entries, account from. Now, what are these accounts? These are zero balance accounts. What are zero balance accounts? Clearing accounts. And clearing for what? For balance sheet accounts. So we'll make it balance sheet accounts. Or we have another option, zero balance, if it allows. Otherwise, we'll keep it as balance sheet accounts. One by one, I'll have to configure all of them. This is adjustment accounts, again, clearing accounts. Not clearing, but adjustment accounts for year-end adjustments. 01000. Assets fallen. Fixed assets. Document splitting is very essential and it is asked in interviews, so you have to be prepared for this. Okay, this account group is liquid funds account. This is liquid fund is cash and bank. Cash and bank is balance sheet account or 4,000 cash account. Okay, clearing accounts, balance sheet accounts. So you have to know there are categories. Categories. Equity. Equity is balance sheet account. Expense. Expense accounts. We have a category called expense. General GL accounts. General GL, balance sheet accounts. HR accounts, balance sheet accounts. We assume balance sheet because there will be some taxation expense, but we will keep that separate in other accounts. Material accounts, again, balance sheet accounts. Miscellaneous account. Miscellaneous account. Miscellaneous can be expense account. Income accounts, income accounts, revenue accounts, revenue category. Enter. This is not permitted, so 10. Okay. Recon accounts, balance sheet accounts. Secondary GL, secondary GLs are for costing. These can be expense accounts. We'll keep it as expense because these are used with cost centers. Expense accounts. Special GL, these are recon accounts. What are special GLs? I'll tell you that in a while. Special GL transaction and override. What is override? I'll tell you in a while on the notepad. And this is tax. This is tax account. We have taxes on sales and purchases. Okay, after tax, page down, we have withholding tax. Copy. Withholding tax. Withholding tax. Acha ji. That is saved. Now you're done. Check item category. This is by standard. We will check this in the last. Classified document types. This is again standard asset posting. The transactions. And these transactions are actually related to the modules, sub-modules like CO posting, and the variant is the standard. Zero balance clearing account. Okay, this is interesting. Let's go to FS00, SA40, and assets, zero balance account 80250. One thing is 80250 is not defined, but I will select this. Accounts, chart of account SA40 80250, and it does not give me any alert that this account is not made. I say save. Okay. Zero posting, zero balance account, CO posting. When I told you that cost center and profit center, production is not a profit center but cost center, this is the scenario. Accounts, new entries 80250, save. 030 balance for cash pooling, for cash and bank, because there are taxes, bank charges. Again, there are taxes. 80250, save. Right? Okay. Characteristics for general ledger accounting. Now, this is very important. Since we are using profit center, based on profit center, zero balance. What is zero balance? Let me tell you that. Okay, zero balance. When vendor amount, which was 10,000, sales tax, there is amount 1,000, withholding tax 300. When it is split into 3 profit centers, then sales tax will be distributed in 333.33. Withholding tax will be 66. No, this was 100. 33.33. So zero balance will accumulate this 0.33 and keep it until there is a sizable amount to make it zero. So that's why it's called zero balance account. This is adjustment account. So it has to adjust 0.33 in all the profit centers. That's why we need zero balance account, and profit center will be the basis or segment. And yes, I forgot to tell you, profit center is subordinate to segment. What is segment? Business vertical. What is business vertical? Detergent, travel, apparel. These are business lines of your mother company. Okay. Real estate. These are segments. So segments control profit centers. Okay. So that's how you make it. Now, over here, profit center. I mentioned profit center here. Operating concern has segment. This is the hierarchy relationship. Okay. Never check this field, because this, as in the transaction, it will just give you errors. Never ever check this field. Every time it will ask for profit center. Now, FB60. Text. Assignment. Now, simulate. Okay. This is complete. Post. Ledgers. We have an error in ledgers. We'll go to ledgers. Okay, correct settings for universal generous doses activate profit center. Profit center is activate profit center accounting. Profit center accounting controlling area. SA40. Save. Save. Define profit center standard hierarchy. SA40 hierarchy area will be SA40. Same code. Save. Define standard hierarchy. Acha. Now it's 111. I will go to. Go to. Oh. Activate profit center. Ledger. Set control parameters. Set controlling area. It will be 111. I will say SA40. Profit center accounting. Define standard hierarchy. SA40. SA40 profit center standard hierarchy. Lower level, dummy. Same level, north. Now this can be segment as well. What? South center. Now this is demographic. North Pakistan, South Pakistan, center is center. Like Islam. Save. Why did not it ask for customizing request? Because this is front-end activity. KCH4. Right? Now create dummy. Create dummy profit center. Dummy SA40. Basic data. SA40 dummy. Dummy is just a placeholder. SA40 dummy. Profit center group. Dummy. Segment, I can give you a segment, but we haven't defined it. Save. This is again front-end activity, so no customizing request. Okay. We are done. We are done. Now we go back to the post. What happened? Simulate. Post. Your account document was posted with 1900. End of the lecture. Okay. Yes.